In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny microphone in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, you need to head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find the Safari. And once you get into Safari settings, you need to scroll down again and again to the very bottom, where you can easily find microphone. If we get into it, we'll be able to configure microphone access settings. In my case, Ask option is selected. It means that whenever I go to a website which wants to get access to my microphone, I will be asked about to allow or deny for that website to get access to the microphone. And also we can switch it to always deny or always allow for any websites. I recommend you to set it to ask. However, you can change it in the way you want. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.